my god, there was a car accident. Alright guys, so I'm on my way to the store to go buy some groceries or food that I am gonna cook. Sorry if I sound different. I have my retainer from the bottom on and it feels really weird talking in it because I have not worn it in a very long time. But yeah, I'm on my way to the grocery store, and on my way to the grocery store I saw there was traffic on the other side of going the opposite direction. I'm like, what the fuck? Why is that guy just standing there with his truck? And then I looked to my left and this one girl is missing her entire bumper. I'm not trying to laugh, but she was missing her entire bumper, and so much. I mean, thank God everybody was okay. I looked who was inside at the car, and I looked who was inside in the car, and it was like some older ladies in the truck, and the truck was perfectly fine, the one that was on my left side. Nothing was wrong with the truck. That's why I was wondering why was he standing there. And it was like older ladies and a guy, and then in the other one it had the one that had the entire bumper ripped off was the lady and kids. So hopefully everybody was okay because they were all standing and everything. The lady was calling someone, so thank God for that. Hey guys, so I quickly wanted to show you guys what I made and why I went to the groceries. But I went to the grocery store so I could buy the fish and breadcrumbs because I was missing that, so I could make this. But I made some spaghetti, and as the sauce, it's cream cheese with sour cream. I put some shrimp. That's what you see here. Shrimps. And then I made breaded fish because it's my favorite type of fish to even make, and that's the only fish I could even eat. And then I made some garlic bread. That's what you see here. And then that's my boyfriend's plate. He will be drinking Canada Dry, and I'm drinking some lemonade. But yeah, that's it. That's what we're gonna eat before the gym, and I wanted to share with you guys. Hey guys, it's your girl Jenny. So I'm in my bathroom really fast because lighting is bad in my room. My boyfriend's doing something in the kitchen, and the bathroom's the only place I could really go. But anyway, so we're on our way to go to the gym. Before we go to the gym, I want to show you guys how we make our protein, so enjoy this short clip. Bye. My boyfriend chose out the cardio workout, and look at all this. That's just gonna kill us all crazy. That's how much we have to run. Ew. So guys, I did 15 minutes of cardio. I'm sorry, I'm within my last minute. God, I'm tired. That one kind of like killed me. The bottom of my tummy hurts. But fuck it, time to work on our abs. Next, let's go. Hey guys, so unfortunately my phone died and I couldn't record anything else, but after the lag section that you see us doing in my video, we went back to cardio, did an extra 15 minutes on bicycle, and then from there we went to work on dumbbells, anything that worked on our bottom arms and stuff like that. But beyond that, that was pretty much it. We just did as much arm workout as we can. And then from there, we just went home. I did his eyebrows. And then that's it. We just had conversations and he ended up going home. But yeah, that was about it. I hope you guys like. Make sure you guys comment, subscribe, like this video, and make sure you turn on your little notification bell so you guys could be notified when I put on a video. And like if you think my dog is cute. Rakshi, stop it, mommy. Alright guys, I'll see you later because my dog is attacking me with much love. Bye!